So if you noticed when we first imported all of our meshes, the hair seems to be a little bit off and a little too tall for our model. That may be due to the fact that this hair was meant for a taller model. So we will just kind of ballpark this and get it sort of close. So it seems a little large, so we're gonna jump back over to Unity and see if we can't match up the scale. So I like working in orthographic view, so everything is straight on. And so we're gonna zoom into the hair, and you can see that yes, it is indeed a little bit larger than our model. So we're just gonna click on the mesh itself, open up our end panel, and go to item, and you can see here the scale is set to 1 and our scale in Unity is 0.88. So we're just gonna scale down roughly to the same scale, and I hold shift while scaling for a fine-tuned adjustment. Just gonna A/B by alt-tabbing going back to Unity, and just gonna use shift to fine-tune that, move it up a little bit. Gonna zoom in and you can see the bangs kind of hang down and are in line with the eye. Okay, and I will just use my cursor to line that up with the eye. Looks pretty good to me. We are pretty much good to move on to the next step. But before we do that, we are going to enable statistics, which will give us the poly count and or try count for the next steps that follow.